This project is designed to allow you to complete all the paperwork first so that you can get down to making your protective mask. Task 1. Research for your mask. These are the design ideas. Do research to collect ideas for your design. Think about protective masks that you have seen. Go and look at protective masks on the internet. Make some sketches and write notes about your ideas for a protective mask. Choose your best ideas and make a clear drawing. Write extra notes next to your drawings if you need to explain your ideas. Task 2. Complete specifications, constraints, design brief, and safety. Task 3. Materials. Things that can be used up. Examples are rubber bands. Tools. Things that cannot be used up. Example, pencil. Task 4. Watch this video before making your mask. Task 5. Make your mask. Task 6. Evaluate, make any changes to improve your design, and draw your final design. Practical task. Design and make a protective mask. We have been on a nationwide lockdown for the COVID-19 coronavirus for several weeks now, and we shall need to go back to school soon. One of the requirements is that we must use a protective mask when we enter our school gate. This is a protective measure for everyone. Minimum requirements are that this must be made from cotton materials. It must have 3 layers of material, and it must cover the nose and mouth. This can either be stitched or glued together. You cannot make your mask out of plastic or rubber materials. It must allow you to breathe. You will be required to stay with this mask for a few hours each day when you are in school.
Hi, I hope you all are doing well and staying safe, healthy, and keeping your social distance up to par. I want to show you how to make a mask using an old t-shirt. I have an A4 sheet of paper. You need to fold it in half and further into quarters. Now on this A4 sheet of paper, you need to use a little lid or a little bowl to shape a little semicircle on one side. Go in 2 centimeters, measure 2 centimeters and draw a line that is 4 centimeters. When you've done that, draw another further 2 centimeters and draw a little curve. This now is to fit into your ear, behind your ear. This is what it will look like. You now place this on your fabric, on the fold, mark it around with your pencil or a marker and cut that. Once you've cut that, this is what you will have as the end result. This is your mask. Now, if you don't have a coffee filter to use in between, you can use normal paper towel or tissues. I've placed them in here. You can use 2 layers or 1 layer just for your protection. your nose and your mouth. It is quite difficult working with t-shirt fabric. We are not looking for perfection here. We are looking for protection. Very gently hold that in like that, and now place it over your ear lobe and over your earlobe. And this is what you have, a very simple no stitch mask. Hi, today's topic is how to make a homemade mask with just rubber bands and a large handkerchief or a bandana. It is requested by the department to use a fabric mask when you enter the school gate. This is a hanky or a bandana. You probably have one at home. You can use any fabric. Cut them 45 centimeters by 45 centimeters. Now divide this into 4 equal parts. Let's call each one a tile. To start with, you need to fold your first tile into the center. Do the same on the opposite side and bring the two sides together so that there are extra flaps in the center. Now place your elastic bands on either side. I prefer using elastic bands, hair bands instead of elastic bands. This is the width of your face. Now take each side and fold them in the center. Try to tuck, there's little pockets formed. Try to tuck them in as neatly as you can and so that all the corners are tucked in. Now, this is your fabric mask. You need to tuck the rubber bands or the air bands behind your ears and adjust the mask, covering your nose and mouth. Make sure that nothing is sticking out. It's pretty easy to do, and we need to support keeping safe at all times.